Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to the new social studies lesson for the week. Today we are starting a new lesson which is lesson number 2 and its title is Life by the Sea in the Past. In this lesson we will be discussing about the life of the people who used to live near the sea in the past. Do you know why they used to live near the sea? Yes, because the main source of income in the past was fishing and pearl diving, and for that, people used to live near the sea so they could go there easily. So let's continue our lesson. Learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to describe life by the sea in the past and understand the importance of pearl diving and fishing in the UAE. Before we begin, let us also revise our key vocabulary. So repeat after me. Fishing, fisherman, bait, traps, pearl diver, pearl diving, dangerous, ship, captain. Wow, look at this picture. What is it? It looks like a net. It gives us one of the gifts of the sea, and that is fishing. This is a fish trap that is used by the fishermen in the UAE to catch fishes. Fishermen in the UAE in the past and also now catch fishes to eat and sell. They used to sell fishes for money. Many people in the UAE likes to eat fish like me, yum yum yum. Some fishermen in the UAE use fishing traps. Like you can see in the picture, they are shaped like half circles. Fishermen put baits in the traps and put them on the bottom of the sea. Do you know what baits are? Baits are something that fishes are attracted to. So if you want something to come near you, you have to get something that they like, right? That is called bait. So they would take some fish food or anything that fishes like and put it in the fish traps and then put the fish trap in the bottom of the sea, and the water of the sea would cover the traps. The fish would swim into the traps to get the bait, and the next day fishermen would go and get the fishes from the trap. Look at this picture. You know what it is? It is a sea animal. It doesn't look like an animal, right? But it is. It is used to give us another gift of the sea, which is called pearls. In the past, pearl divers got pearls from the sea. Pearls are found inside clams. This sea animal is called clam. Pearl diving was a dangerous job. You know why? I'll tell you why. Divers went down and put clams in a basket. They would tie a rope around themselves, take the basket, and jump into the water. They would go deep down and collect clams. Divers stayed underwater for about 3 minutes on each dive. After 3 minutes, a man on the ship would pull the driver and the basket up to the ship. Then the diver would give the clams to the ship captain. Ship captain is the one who has the boat and who drives the boat in the water. And then after taking some break, they would dive again in the water for 3 minutes, and this would go on. What are pearls? Pearls come from clams. Clams are animals that live in the sea. The pearl is formed when a bit of sand gets into the clam. The clam covers that bit of sand with shiny materials. Not all clams have pearls. Pearls come in many shapes, colors, and sizes. Some pearls are more valuable than others. Look at this cannon. Like I told you, the pearl divers would give the clams to the ship captains. The ship captains would take out the pearls from the clams and use to sell them, and then they would give some money to the divers as well. The divers used the money to buy the things they needed. Divers lived on the boat for about 4 months during the diving season. The diving season is for 4 months, and the divers and the ship captains and the people used to stay away from their home in the middle of the sea in the ship for about 4 months. And then a cannon was fired after 4 months when the diving season was finished. Now we will come to our social studies book, page 18. Fishermen in the UAE, like I told you, they used to catch fishes from the seas and oceans. You can see the activity 1 brainstorm on this page on the top. There is a box. In this box, you will write 1 or 2 lines about why are the seas and oceans important, and also draw some things that we get from the sea. Then you can also check your answer or get an idea from the answer key on the next slide here. Then we will come to page 20. On page 20, we have another activity number 2, which is learning from pictures. You can see this picture. It has the tools of fishermen and the pearl divers. And the name of some of the tools are written under the picture. There is a table. A, fishing traps. B, fishing nets. C, small boat. D, large basket. E, small basket. F, clamshells. G, saws. And H, rope. We will look for these 8 items in this picture and write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H with the correct picture. And then in the table next to every item, we will also write the purpose and use of that item in fishing and pearl diving. You can also check your answer from the answer key here on the next page, the answer key for page 20. Then we will come to page 22, which has activity 3, critical thinking. Why do pearls come in many shapes, colors, and sizes? Do you know why? Think and you will write the answer here in the table under the pictures. You can see 2 rows. You will think and write the answer here, that why do pearls come in many shapes, colors, and sizes? And then you can also check your answer from the next slide here, which has the answer key for page number 22. Then comes the optional worksheet. This is the optional worksheet. You have to look for the words related to the pearl divings and circle them or cut them. You can also check your answer in the answer key here. Then comes the YouTube videos that you can watch and have fun while learning at the same time. And then comes the assessment time. You will have the assessment link. You will click on the assessment link, answer the questions, and then submit the assessment form. And good luck, everyone, and I will see you all next week in our new lesson. Bye-bye.